I need to go. You can see they started taking people inside the plane, so even I need to go. And I was just sitting and editing a video. I have just uploaded the part 1. I want you to see the part 1 and then part 2. Alright. So the recording was not allowed over there, so I have to stop it. Now I'm going to the plane. Now let me see how would I go there. I'm just getting down from the escalator. So guys, that is the plane over there somewhere. Okay, and this is the way I'm going. So I need to walk like this. No, nothing like that. So let's see. There is Virgin Atlantic plane over there. I don't know whether you're able to see or not, but there is Virgin Atlantic. I really want to work for Virgin Cruise one day because I heard so many good things about them, and so I really want to work. Now I'm entering the plane. It's not a very huge plane, I would say. So the wing, machine, whatever they say. So I just need to show this and they will tell me where to go.
Hello there, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm alright, thank you. You've got to go down this first hour here today, sir. Okay.
Thank you so much. Oh, first class. That's not for me though. Excuse me. Sorry. The plane is chilling. Seat number 45C. 45. So we'll be back. I need to charge my phone. 43, 45C. So this is my seat, 45C. I have a chicken sandwich with dairy milk. Good night. Cheers. Don't worry, this is not an alcohol. This is just an apple juice. This is what I'm having. This is aloo bhaji, that's some naan, paratha, cake, and I don't know what is this. So this is my breakfast in a plane. Let's see where I'm at. This is where I have to reach, and there is. This is where I'm lights are on and we are about to land now. Thank you. So well guys, now to catch another plane. Now the plane has landed in Heathrow Airport. Now I need to rush to the another gate where my American Airlines is waiting for me. It was a long flight though. Thank you. Thank you. The first thing you need to do whenever there is a connecting flight and there is some time, so you can wait at airport, connect to the Wi-Fi as soon as possible so you can message your loved ones that you have reached safely and you will be going to catch another plane. Alright, so I'm going to do that. So you can see connecting flight. It shows this way, so I need to go this way. There's a toilet again. I'll use it later. I want to use it, but later. So this is the one of the biggest airport in the world, Heathrow. Wow. Look how much I have to walk. And here, people are going down. So I'll be also going down. Waiting for the metro to come, so I'm going to catch a metro and need to go. This one, right? Thank you. I need to rush and go to my gate number 8, where I have to go to security check again, and then I'll be at gate number 8 waiting for my American Airlines. Okay. Alright, now you can check over there. It's written ABC gate, so it's straight. I need to walk straight and keep walking straight. I am at Heathrow Airport. I have done my check-in and all. Now I'm just waiting for my plane. The departure time is 10:40, but this is the duty free of... Should I use some perfume because I'm not smelling good? We can just try, you know, see this. So guys, check it out. The perfume is so cute. Should I use it? I will smell good now. So alright, I will check what is my gate number and I will go and sit there and call up my family because I really want to call them. I did not got time to call them up. So now is the time. Like the flight is 15 minutes late, so I can sit one of these lounges over here and relax. Oh, sorry. Alright, and I'll call up. But it's beautiful, check it out. Wow. I am going to catch another train and my gate number is C57. So the lady told me, but before this, see, this escalator is going right down. I don't know, it's like at least 3-story high escalator. So I will be catching the plane and has come, so I need to run. I cannot just stand. C57. Alright, you can see a lot of people waiting here to catch a plane. Sorry, to catch a train. And once we catch a train, then I need to go to gate number 57. So guys, I need to go to gate number C57, but before that, you can see what is behind me. British Airways. Everywhere is the British Airways because I'm in London and it is a hub of British Airways. So cheers! So guys, you can see, so beautiful. Heathrow Airport. So the boarding has been started, so I am going in now. So guys, I will see you after 10 hours. I will make a video inside the plane. Of course, you want to see what I'm doing, what I'm having, right? So I will stay tuned with my channel. Just don't forget to subscribe to my channel, that like button, so I will know whatever effort I'm putting, it is worth or no. So guys, that is my plane. I need to board that plane now, and this is the way I need to go. Again, an escalator which is going right down, but it is not that down. So, are you excited for me to be on a cruise ship so I can make more videos and inform you about the cruise ship? Let me go fast. Departure. I'm going in. You can see this is the way, and I'll walk like this for you so you can see me and I can see you all.